Okay, here we go. Welcome to week 2. We've had 1 week of work. As you can see, we've done a lot more clearing. The trouble with this ground, very stony ground. It takes a lot of digging. So we now have the first wall going up on day 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's to be done. Number 6, number 7, number 8. We're just getting number 9 there. We have 2 more holes to dig. We've got 5 guys on site at the moment. So we have 1 hole to dig there where the orange spot is, and 1 hole there where that plant is. So I need to dig this mound out, and the rest have been dug, ready to go. So hopefully we should have all the posts up today, and we're sort of preparing, ready for the for this wall as well now. So we're going to need to get some more posts made. I think we have 3 more posts over there and 3 there, so that's 6. So that one's cemented. That one's got the base in. That one needs digging out. This one needs digging out more. Okay. We've run a line in, temporary, to a tree from here. Don't know if you can see that. But what we're doing, we got to chop 2 mahogany trees down. So I shall run a little woodworking shop, and we'll morning. How many did we chop down? 1? 2? Only one down. Okay, so we're in the process, because we ran the line out and there's 2 that have got to come down. I love these makeshift ladders, they do. There's no health or safety over here. So which 2 are coming down? That one and that one? Yeah. Okay. It's good wood, huh? Save that wood. Yeah. Mahogany. Yeah. And then we should be clear then on that one, going all the way. So we obviously chopped all the branches off. They've cleared as much as they can before we chop it down, which makes sense. If you follow the line down, we're clear of all the trees. I don't think I'm going to bring the digger down here, and I'm certainly not taking the digger down there. So that's the tree that we were on. That looks like they put some sort of post there, bit of cocoa lumber. Yeah, I strapped it to the tree. It's got the orange. That's where the plinth is. That's where my land finishes, and then it goes up the bank to the corner. Okay, but what I've asked them to do, we're going to get some infill. They've started now here, but all the dirt we dig out is going to come in here. It's going to be nowhere near enough, so I'm going to have to get some white chalk in and try and level this up to a certain bit to give us extra land. I mean, there's no chance we're going to fill that in, but I'm thinking maybe some goats. I think maybe we put because we've got a lot of trees here, so we can fence them in once the 2 walls are in, with a little gate maybe this end, because they've got loads of stuff to eat, and we'll give them loads of foliage anyway. So I think maybe some goats here, get some nice goat milk, make us self-sufficient. That's the aim, the good life. I don't know if you remember The Good Life. It was a program in the 70s, comedy program, about a couple that just jacked their jobs in and decided to live off the land in their back garden in the middle of London suburbia. So that's the tree. So we kind of come, I think we're coming up sort of this level, coming through here. Coming up this way, this is all got to be, majority of it's hand dug down there. Here we can start doing the digger and the buildings. We've got 2 buildings going in, 25 metres by 6 metres, 2 of them, and that's going to be a small office, a small office, egg store, feed store. And I want to have a little, like backyard piggery, maybe 5-6 pigs in here just for the meat. So the fence panel comes up here, and I want a gate. So I think some of these trees have to go. I think maybe that mango and that bush up there will go. As we're coming up this way, all the way up here. So I want to put a post in and then measure in 4 yards, 4 metres for the gate and the door access. So this is this is stage 2 of our development. Cheryl wants a nice public swimming pool here, which would be nice. It's nice and flat, so it's easy to develop, and we'll see. We shall see. That's maybe 12 months, 2 years maybe down the line. So the plan is to run a line from that start of my land here, PS, that's the start of my land here. So we go down there. So what I want to do is string a line to here, go down to 1 post, and then measure in 4 metres, and then take the wall from here to the 4 metres, so we have some land that we can drive trucks in. And on those 4 metres we'll have a 3 metre gate and a 900 door controlled by key fob is what I want, so selected people can have the key fob. So once we get to the gate, I'll show you the plan anyway. There is a plan drawn up already. So we're going to have to lose that bush and that mango tree, I think. But we'll draw a line in here, all the way down here, and put a post in somewhere along here. So when I put a post in there, we come in 4 metres, we draw a line from that peg to the 4 metres, and then we take another wall up to there, to the edge. So that leaves that all open. I don't need to fence this yet, put a wall up yet. It's just this area needs to be contained. No access, no unauthorised access. So if we put a post here, say, come in 4 metres, then run a line down, we'll lose that bush, that mango tree, and then the buildings will go here. So I want 6 metre wide building, and I want 12 metre courtyard, and then another 6 meters building. But what I want to do is to build a biogas facility for the pig poo and the chicken poo eventually when we get the pigs. So the septic tank only needs to be 1 meter deep and about 2.5 meters wide, long by a meter wide. So it's already made there, perfect. And then I should dig an access point there for the nitrogen liquid to come out to feed the plants, the flowers, if we build any flowers or whatever. Maybe we'll run a crop. I want to run a crop on that land if I can first as well, just to cultivate it a bit more. And this is the shelter that we built the other day. We had a delivery yesterday. So Tata done this with some bamboo and sheep corrugated, and we got the plywood, got the cocoa lumber, and we got the cement. So once the posts are up, we'll make some forms to fill the cement in. I've got 30 bags, so I've used about 5 already. Like I say, 5 guys on site. We're just cutting the tree down now. Okay, we'll leave it there and we'll see where we get to in a few days. Okay.